don't know if you could see that, but it's very, very pretty. It looks beautiful. Merry Vlogmas Day 14. I have woken up this morning with my throat didn't feel quite as bad as it did yesterday, which is good, but I think I've eaten something yesterday that I'm allergic to, because I don't think it's food poisoning. The food was amazing and no one else is sick, but I have woken up in quite a lot of distress actually, and Mum has been very, very kind and come up and looked after me, and feeling a bit better now. I want some painkillers, and yeah. But I'm afraid it's going to be another sort of sick day in the Vlogmas world. Chiana is currently curled up with me. I am trying to get some more sleep because I have not slept very well this evening. Or last night. I can't even form words at the moment. I'm having difficulty doing that. Not the start to the day that I was hoping for. Mum and I were supposed to be going into town to get some Christmas shopping done for the bits and pieces for stocking fillers and things like that, and to take our fabric scraps to H&M for recycling. Although Closet Case Patterns have put up an amazing tutorial this morning for making a footstool which you can stuff with all of your scraps, and I think that's actually an amazing idea. So if Mum hasn't taken them to recycling, then I might see if I can put them into a box and get them out of the way of Mum and Dad's, because they were taking out the boiler room. See if I can do that in the new year. But I do not feel very well at all today. Actually, somebody commented the other day that I've been sick a lot this year, and this is the first cold I've had in a very long time, and it's the first time I've been ill, as in sick, with the kind of like me feeling unwell before with the TMJ. That wasn't me feeling, that wasn't like a sickness, that was uncomfortableness from movement and things like that. So I was actually thinking I hadn't really had very many colds or been very, very sick this year at all, which is unlike me. I suppose this one knocking me for 6 is about par for the course, given that I haven't had one for ages, but never mind. I wanted to update you guys because obviously daily vlogging and also Vlogmas. I'm going to go down when Mum comes back from town and we're going to open our calendars. I had the dark strawberry hot chocolate today. Mum put some medicine in that for me so that it was drinkable, and that was really, really nice actually. So I have had my second of my hot chocolates, and this one I really liked. The first one I had was a white chocolate one, and that was a mistake. I should not have tried that. It was not good. Anyway, I'm gonna curl back up and go to sleep. I have lots and lots of grand plans for what I wanted to get done the next 2 weeks before Christmas, and fingers crossed I should be able to. Fingers crossed this is literally a reaction to some food that perhaps my body is not a fan of. It shouldn't be more than 24 hours and then I'll be fine. So yeah, tomorrow will be good. And my voice is back. As you all heard yesterday in the vlog, it was very intermittent during the day, so oh, excuse me. So trying to, because I've got sew-alongs to film, trying to film sew-alongs with no voice would have been interesting. But anyway, I'm going to stop whinging at you and I'm going to curl up and get a little bit more sleep, and I will be back a bit later.
Look at that, it's me.
Ah! Oh. I hurt everywhere, don't be mean.
Mean to my daughter? Could I possibly be mean?
I've got video evidence.
You've got the what?
I've got video evidence.
No, I haven't.
Yeah. 14.
Yeah. I'm...
Whack the
you know, me and Tom Jones,
I would very much like to be lying down, so...
Well, that's easily accommodated.
It will be in a minute. You can't get any stuck.
No. I can fight my way into anything.
Defeated by cardboard.
Oh, there's not a chance. Oh. Not a chance.
Sounds like crips. Get pastelin.
Don't even go for it.
No. Okay. Anyone want to phonetically sound that out for us? More of the same, it looks. Different kind of mini...
I know, I can't wait. I need to get in there first of all.
You've got rid of the one in your mouth.
Yeah, I have. Now, these are not Pontefract.
No, they're not.
No. And these are not hats. Do you know why they're not hats? Because the top's been cut off. But they do look like a fez
It could be a fez.
Yeah. Shall I give it a go?
Give it a go.
Right. These are one of those that has to linger longer. Linger longer. That's good, isn't it? In your mouth before you get the flavour coming through. I need to come back in about 10 minutes.
Let's hope that yours is slightly more. Well, that's Dad's one. Oh dear. Mum's very kindly gone out and bought me lots of drugs today, haven't you?
I have.
Paracetamol and more Strepsils.
Yeah.
So that I don't cough quite so much.
Oh, yellow. That's different.
That looks lemon. No? No, that's it. No. Oh, good grief.
Lenzero canela.
I don't know why I'm looking at this. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Dark chocolate brownie with ginger and cinnamon.
Oh, that's
Let's see if I got that right.
definitely dark.
Yeah. Very dark. Gingery cinnamony. Oh, good. Happy? Happy face? This is good.
Very nice.
My hot chocolate came in very useful this morning. Smelled good as well, didn't it, Mum? My whole kitchen smelled of strawberry, dark strawberry hot chocolate. It was very nice. Nut hot chocolate. That's specific. Nut. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to bed. Oh no, I'm not. He's not finished yet.
I'm still going.
Any words?
Well, it's not.
Oh, I can smell that one. That smells medicinal as well.
It's not remarkable.
Okay.
So I'm not going to use my greater adjectives. It's pleasant.
Pleasant. Well, that's good. At least it's not underwhelming.
It's soothing. It's the kind of thing you pop in your mouth when you're taking the dog out for a walk, and half an hour later when you come back it's still there. The dog.
The dog's still there, hopefully, yeah. Mum might take issue if the dog was not still there.
So
Okay.
we're suddenly going slightly medicinal the last 2 days, which is a bit worrisome because it's not my preference. Excuse me?
Oh, I know, it was pathetic. Right, I'm gonna go. Don't squeeze me. That's alright, that bit doesn't hurt. Okay.
You'll be alright.
I'll be fine. Yeah, sorry I've been a bit of a wet blanket today, but like I said the other day when I wasn't feeling particularly good, the joys of daily vlogging, and yeah, never mind. Thankfully I've still got yesterday's makeup on, so I actually don't look quite as rough as I feel, which is nice. But I'm going to say goodnight now, and I will see you all tomorrow feeling much better, positive mental attitude and all that. So yeah, see you in the morning. Bye.